You can buy S&P 500 because it hasn't really done well buying indexes the last month or so, or let's say 3-4 weeks. But it's been a stock pickers market, and what have we picked? We've managed to buy some of the main leaders in the market, such as Rigetti. And again, this is selling off a little bit here, but we bought it around this level. We've made a 1 to 14 because we started selling off at these highs, maybe a 1 to 11, okay? As well, quantum plays, we ended up buying CCJ around some key levels as well, around this level here for that continuation play. Yes, these are dipping. We are managing and scaling out of positions in the Discord group and taking profits. Big Bear AI as well moved well, but this has been very, very volatile, this move. So we end up trading around this level, and the reason why you have annotations is because I did a short video explaining my performance with Big Bear. Intel moved well after the US government bought. We end up buying on the consolidation. As you can see here, there was a nice consolidation level, right? And that's it. We have PPTA. These are precious metals. As you know, gold has done really well. Precious metals have done really well. We have PPTA in our portfolio to benefit from that. And we've traded it around this level and have a nice risk reward ratio on this. I'll just show you guys a sec. The risk rewards on this. So the reason why I've been able to build my portfolio quite nicely is because we're buying the right themes at the right time. We are making these 1 to 6, 1 to 10 risk rewards. AMSC, which is semiconductor, hasn't moved too well. Kind of around a small profit here, and I'll be looking to scale out of it very, very soon. Archer was moving really well, but we had a sell-off yesterday. Again, we're scaling out of these tops because I think the market's a bit toppy, and that's it. You know, we have some other ones. Sana moved really well for us recently. We have AMD, SMCI. So Sana moved really well. We had a 1 to 7, scaled out a little bit. AMD moving well again, also scaling out of this a little bit. So taking some profits off the table. 1 to 8 on this. SMCI, Nvidia. These recent buys, Salesforce. I thought that we could probably see a move here. Yesterday was a sell-off day, and that's the reason why we kind of are sitting on a small loss here as well, which is I thought maybe it moves well because it's a safety play, but it hasn't moved here and probably comes back down. So we have to sell this for a small loss. ARAI has moved well, but it's been volatile. So 1, 2, 3. So it has these big dips. I'm holding through. I'm trying to hold as much as I can through these volatile moments. I know that October is volatile, so I got to hold through and manage positions. So we're looking pretty well. There's no real new ideas just because the market's selling off, and I usually buy long. The volatility is high as well. So I'm trying to be cautious and just take my profits and lock them in, because at the moment there is a big chunk of my profits sitting as unactualized profits, and I want them to be locked in. So we're scaling out of positions.